Meaning of godliness.
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 Godliness. Godliness refers to the quality or state of being devout and pious, characterized by a strong sense of moral values and adherence to spiritual principles. It is often associated with the qualities or attributes of a god or deity, such as holiness and righteousness. Those who strive for godliness seek to live a life that reflects their belief in a higher power, and this can involve practices such as prayer, meditation, and acts of service to others. Overall, godliness is seen as a path towards spiritual fulfillment and enlightenment.